hot. Yes, today is hot. Hi guys! Look at the sea. Hi! Hi! Let's sit down here, guys. Guys, I want to go toilet. Okay. Bye. Funny, I have a new game. It's really fun. Come on, let's play together. Wow, it's really exciting. Online or offline? Online game, Fanny. It's a Sam. What's happened, Fanny? My cellular phone has run out. I will buy later. Who do I play with?
What are you talking about, guys?
I want to invite Fanny to play. It turns out the cellular has run out.
Just play with me, Des.
Sorry guys, I want to toilet.
The sound of the call to prayer is really annoying. Go outside again. Guys, I can say that to reach down the sound of your cell phone. What's wrong, Nat? It's bothering me. Wait, I wanted you so you don't make a fuss, you know? What's bothering you, guys? Why don't you use this speaker to hold the prayer inside? Hi, guys!
Hi! Look at Fanny. Why do you change your clothes?
Because my clothes is dirty. My problem is finished. Do you want to go home or pray off mosque? Just pray first, Vera. Let's go ahead. I still want to continue to get. Yes, let's go. Go.
Wow, this is new news.
What the news, Fan? What about the news?
Heard the news about the ban on using the outer toilet during the call prayer.
Well, I also read the news. Can you explain the news version? I have no clue. So at that time, I opened the online newspaper on my cell phone. There was news about our new Minister of Religion banning the use of external toilet for the Southern prayer. Huh? The Minister of Religion actually has a feel like that anyway.
The worst thing is that he liked the sound of dog barking.
Astagfirullah, I am quite surprised to hear this news. But the case is still being debated. Have not found a clear spot either. Hopefully the Ministry of Religion can find a way out so there will be no misunderstanding. Look, there's Desi and Faiz. Hi. Faiz, Desi, what are you doing?
This is again discussing news that is currently viral.
What news is going viral? Huh? News to the mosque? Yeah, news to the mosque.
Where you look the news? It's on TikTok.
Have the regulation published yet?
The Minister of Religion Circular Letter number 5 2022 has been issued of mosque loudspeaker.
I agree with the regulation because the speaker are too loud.
I personally don't agree. Time must be limited.
The speaker are quite annoying too. No guys, don't fight. The rules of the mosque don't bother you. I don't think it bothers me.
Oke baik, perkenalkan nama saya Muhammad Fajri Anur. Saya mahasiswa Fakultas Hukum Universitas Lambung Mangkurat semester 3.
Bagaimana pendapat kakak tentang surat edaran pembatasan penggunaan pengeras suara masjid?
Oke baik, untuk menanggapi surat edaran tahun nomor 5 tahun 2022 tentang pedoman pengeras suara masjid, menurut saya itu sudah bagus itu dari Kementerian Agama menanggapi keberagaman budaya dan agama di Indonesia. Nah, di dalam diatur itu saya sepakat itu adanya surat edaran, karena yang di dalam situ yang saya baca dalam surat edaran nomor 5 tahun 2022 isinya itu mengatur tentang penggunaan suara speaker masjid, yang mana di dalam ataupun di luar yang diatur maksimal suaranya itu dalam tekanan 100 desibel.
Apakah surat edaran tersebut pantas untuk ditetapkan di kalangan masyarakat, Kak?
Bagi saya untuk pelaksanaannya ini diterapkan dalam masyarakat itu sudah sesuai, karena yang kita tahu di Indonesia itu banyak beragam budaya, agama, dan ras. Nah, di situ kita harus menghormati sesuai kepercayaan masing-masing. Dan di situ diatur misalnya nih dalam pengeras suara masjid, yang kita tahu di masjid itu kadang ada agenda pengajian, ada sholat rutin. Nah, di situ dalam surat edaran nomor 5 ini yang dikeluarkan oleh Kementerian Agama tidak melarang penggunaannya sama sekali. Nah, yang dilarang ini dalam penggunaan durasinya, seperti kan biasanya ada pengajian yang selama berjam-jam. Nah, itu yang dimaksud oleh surat edaran ini. Dan untuk pembatasannya itu sebenarnya tidak melebihi itu, misalnya itu yang melebihi 100 desibel pengeras suara. Jadi kalau menurut saya sepakat.
Apakah menurut Kakak pengeras suara masjid itu mengganggu?
Nah, untuk suara pengeras masjid ini dalam berbagai pandangan itu ada yang mengganggu dan ada yang tidak. Nah, contohnya saja dalam kehidupan kita sehari-hari kan kita sering mendengar kumandang azan. Nah, itu kita sebagai umat muslim itu sudah halal wajar kan, itu dalam bentuk syiar agama Islam. Nah, kita memandang lagi dari segi orang yang selain non muslim. Nah, mereka biasanya menghormati juga, dan kadang ada juga kan nih kata setujunya, karena dalam penggunaannya itu ada juga melenceng nih, seperti penggunaan speaker yang keluar namun pada saat agenda-agenda yang kurang, ini bukannya kurang sih, kayak lebih bukan agenda wajib gitu, nah kayak pengajian. Nah, itu yang harusnya penggunaannya itu lebih diatur ke speaker yang di dalam saja, karena kita menghormati kegiatan orang yang di luar juga, yang mungkin agama bukan non muslim gitu.
Guys, what do you think of the controversial news, the distract the most used loudspeaker?
In my opinion, much loudspeaker will be a little distributing if the sound of too loud, and I agree with the circular letter on prohibition of the use of loudspeaker by the Ministry of Hygiene.
In my opinion, the sound of most used loudspeaker is not disturbing. For us Muslim, it is good because help the Muslim to pray.
I agree with Vera's opinion, but it's better to comply with what has been stipulated by the Ministry of Religion regarding of the using mosque loudspeaker.
I also agree with Vera's opinion. I think it's normal mosque loudspeaker. For me, it won't bother me, but people take it too much.
Whatever your opinion, the circular has already been issued. We can only implement it. However, even so, we are free to express our opinions, and of course, we must also respect the opinions of others.